Hello coders, today we're going to talk about stacks and how to implement it. So let's start first. We need to understand what is stack. Think of it as a box in which the element which you add last will come out first. It's called LIFO, last in, first out. It's like adding a lot of fat people in a narrow and long room, but to make the room free, you need to get out the last person. Now let's understand how to implement it in a real code. Poost first, we declare the header files. stdlib for malloc and limits.h for minimum or maximum value. Now we define an array of maximum size, let it be 100, create a stack. We use struct as it is well arranged, using it. So inside struct, we declare our things top to check top value, capacity for maximum number of elements stack can hold, and a pointer to array for stack elements as we need their locations. Now let's create stack. Pass argument is capacity. Call malloc for space. We are giving a condition for not getting error as sometimes we don't get required memory. Stack set to capacity to hold elements. If top of stack points to -1 as stack is empty, now we again call malloc for space to add stack as capacity of the array. We pass size of int, 4 bytes. Now we will perform stack operation. First is push, it is like pushing elements inside or adding, for which we pass argument stack, which you remembered. A stack and item the numbers we will add. Now we add an overflow condition to check if the stack is full. It returns with printing overflow, you remembered. Stack points to array. We called malloc for space to add elements. Now is the time we use ++ stack points to top to add item at top. Then increase 1 space and add again and continue. At last, we print the value is pushed into the stack. Now we perform our second operation, pop. It's like popping out of something or delete something. We pass same argument with, then check underflow condition. If you need an element at some point and that number of elements doesn't exist in stack, after this we return the element at top by decreasing. You can see reverse of push part. It's stack. We use peek function to peek at top or check elements at top. First, we check if the list is not empty. Then we return element at top of stack array. Now we have our two functions is empty and is full to check whether the capacity of the stack is less than it's full, or we are at top with no elements. Now we are in endgame in main function. We call create stack function for as much space we required for array. I am taking 5. You can increase or decrease it, but within our max range. Then let's push something using our function call inside stack. We used a print le function to check pop elements and peek the element at top. Now let's run it. Oh yeah, as you can see, elements are added. You can see I also added to extra line to free after popping the allocated memory. If you use pop function like I did push, you can see the results as it prints. I will post the code in the comments if you need. If you enjoy the video, like, share, and subscribe to become a future coder.